Hey, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be making some barbecue baked beans with bacon. That looks absolutely delicious. Alright, I did say we were making baked beans with bacon, so we got to get that bacon cooked up, right? So we just cooking this bacon, and then, I like my bacon to be on the crispy side. Cook your bacon however you want it, right? I just like mine crispy, and that looks absolutely perfect to me. Drain the excess grease off with a paper towel, and then now I'm going in and I'm cutting up this bacon. Now with my bacon, I like to cut, a couple pieces on the bigger side, and then I like to go back and then cut some pieces, down to a smaller size. So every bite that you get is like a bacon surprise, right? So you're getting some bigger pieces, and then you're getting some smaller pieces. So everything is like a birthday, right? Or Christmas. Oh man, what am I getting? I'm getting some bacon. All right, so we got to go in with some, onion and bell pepper. So we're going to cook these down until they become a little bit on the softer side. So when it's in those baked beans, you're not getting any crunch, right? And then as they become, like a little translucent, then you can take those bad boys off. Now we're going in with the beans, right? So I got the pork and beans, and you can use Bush's baked beans, but they tend to have, flavor added to them. So you have like brown sugar and all that good stuff. So that's perfectly fine. That'll make it, easier, but I wanted to kind of develop some flavors here. So I got some barbecue sauce, right? And then we're going to be adding some brown sugar, and then we're going in with some mustard, and then a little bit of ketchup. And then we're going to get these ingredients incorporated, and then we're not done, right? So we got to add some spices to it. Now with that said, the ingredients will be in the description box below. That's looking absolutely delicious, I can go ahead and tell you, man. Now we're going to be adding our bacon. Look at that right there. And we're going to be adding that bacon in a little bit at a time. So we make sure that bacon is incorporated into those beans evenly. So, give a little shot of bacon, and then you go back and give another little shot of bacon. And then you can save some bacon for the end, to top it off when you're serving it. And that's perfectly fine. If you want to use all the bacon at this process, you can definitely do that too. But for me, I'm going to keep some on the side so I can top it off at the end. Now we're going in with our spices. We got some chili powder, and then we're hitting it with some cinnamon. That cinnamon is an absolutely must in these baked beans. Now we're going in with some paprika, and then we're gonna get this bad boy, a mix. But before we do, we're gonna be adding a little bit of garlic, right? You can't go wrong with fresh garlic. Then we're gonna get this bad boy mixed just like that, right? Make sure all those ingredients incorporated, and then like I was saying, man, you gotta taste what you're making, right? So you know it's right. Alright, so after we get this bad boy mixed in, we're going to add some apple cider vinegar, and then I got to hit it with a little bit more barbecue sauce, right? Get this bad boy a mix, and then I'm going to taste it one more time, right? So I make sure it's right. So what I need a little bit more cinnamon, so I'm adding a little bit more cinnamon. And as I was saying, as you taste what you're making, you got to taste it and make sure it's right before you putting it in there. Now, if it's something raw, like some chicken, fish, or beef, no, don't taste that. You cooking and then you follow your measurements. But anything like, baked beans or something like that, go ahead and taste it so you know how it tastes before it comes out. Now those flavors will develop as they cook, and you're ready to go. Now we're gonna be placing this in the pit boss. We got this on 350, right? And then as power editing, they coming right back out to you, and they're steaming hot. Look at that right there. So we gotta let these bad boys cool down and rest. But when they do, oh man, you are ready. You're in the game. Alright, so there you have it. You got your baked beans. You in the game. So we got to go ahead and give this bad boy a taste test. And you already know, man, I love that bacon, right? So, cheers. And that's absolutely amazing right there. I'm going to go in for another bite of this. Now that's absolutely fantastic. Now, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button, and if you like this content, smash that like button. And if you've been rolling me for a while, you already know what I gotta do. I gotta smash into these baked beans, and we'll see you guys later.